Kia ora. So Singularity University, day 5, expert number 3. Her name is Ja-Nae Duane, and she talked to us about DAOs. So I did not know this before attending this program. So DAOs, or a DAO, stands for Distributed Autonomous Organization. Really interesting, and this could probably be me not being able to explain this whole thing in less than 3 minutes, so I'll make sure I'll put more links in the bio for those of you who are interested to learn more. But basically, we're talking about a completely decentralized organization that does not have a CEO or an executive team. It has founding members, it has creators, it has contributors, and everyone with these different kind of roles contributes to this organization in a way. And so it's something that's not owned by one individual or a group of individuals, but it's distributed amongst everybody. We also had a hands-on workshop and tried to create one DAO of our own. So that was really interesting. Thank you, Ja-Nae. And I would like to point out, Ja-Nae is actually an opera singer. And she did sing for us during the session as well. So a fantastic individual, like, the other speakers as well. And she really kind of blew us away, in terms of like showing how, a person with left and right side of the brain connected kind of operates in this world. So she's an entrepreneur, she's an investor, she's a singer, she's a technologist, she's fantastic. So thank you, and I will put more links in the bio. And if any of you have any kind of idea or have any resources you want to share about these things, or have any kind of opinion, or have like experienced it, like it, don't like it, any kind of like anything about decentralization, I would love to know more from you as well. So please make sure you make comments as well. Cheers.